Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very lacy stitch titled Leaf Bloom. There are leaf-like structures with blooms, and they make this particular pattern makes very good wraps if combined with beads. Okay, so I'm not going to combine it with beads now for demonstration. You can combine with beads wherever these picots are, or in whichever place you want to place them. Okay, to make this particular pattern we require multiples of 12 plus 6 as the starting foundation chains. This particular piece I made with 100% Aran Premium Acrylic Antipel yarn, brick red color with color code 2046. I shall be demonstrating with light pink, baby pink yarn, and I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I'll be using my 4.5 mm Clover Amore hook. I have made 2 repeats of 12 plus 6, 30 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the 8th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here make a single crochet and then make a picot over it. Picot is chain 3, slip stitch to the first chain. Chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. In the 4th, make a single crochet. Now the actually stitch repeat starts. Picot, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet, picot, chain 5, skip 3, single crochet, picot, yes, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet, picot. So you need to repeat this till the last 6 chains are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains are left here. Now chain 3, skip 3, single crochet, picot, chain 2, one, two. I made a mistake here. I have not skipped 3. So in the 4th chain I should have done single crochet, picot. Now chain 2, skip 1 chain, and in the last place a double crochet. So this completes our row 1. I shall be back with row 2 now. For row 2, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first DC, picot, chain 3, skip the next picot, and in the next picot, that is skipping this next picot, you have to work the bloom is 3DC cluster, chain 5, 3DC cluster. So inside this space, sorry, I did two wraps, it's 3DC cluster. So yarn over, insert, so we have to skip this, and here 3DC cluster, bloom is actually 3DC cluster, picot, chain 5, 3DC cluster, picot. So one bloom is complete. Chain 3, single crochet in the chain 5 space, skip this, single crochet in chain 5 space, picot, chain 3, bloom in, skip this picot and bloom in the next picot. In the bloom is 3DC cluster picot, chain 5, 3DC cluster picot. Picot. Now chain 3 and skip this next picot and place the single crochet in the turning chain here. So this completes row 2. I shall be back with row 3. For row 3, chain 7 and turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 7 counts as double treble and chain 2 space, and then make 3DC cluster in the single crochet here. And picot, chain 3, skip this picot and single crochet in the next picot, so next chain 5 space, and a picot, chain 3, and make a bloom in the next picot. Sorry, 1 minute. Bloom is 3DC cluster picot, chain 5, 3DC cluster picot. 1, it 3 3DC cluster made, picot, chain 5, again one 3DC cluster, all in the same picot. Oh god. And a picot. Chain 3, skip this and single crochet in the next chain 5 space, 1 picot, chain 3, skip this last picot and make a 3DC cluster in the last stitch, picot, chain 2 and make a double treble here. Double treble is yarn over thrice, sorry, yarn. So this completes our row 3. So the pattern repeats our rows 2 and 3. Repeat the instructions for row 2 and row 3 to the length required for your project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.